When a phone is locked by Google's FRP, users often search for an Octoplus FRP tool review to see if it's safe, reliable, and easy to use. In this video, we'll cover its main features, supported devices, pros, cons, FAQs, and one good alternative. Part 1. What is Octoplus FRP Tool? Octoplus FRP Tool helps remove FRP and screen locks on many Android brands, including Samsung, Huawei, Lenovo, Sony, and ZTE. Its simple interface and wide compatibility make it a trusted option for users who need quick access after a factory reset. Part 2. What are the main characteristics of Octoplus FRP Tool? Part 3. How does Octoplus FRP Tool work? Install Octoplus FRP Tool and USB drivers. Turn off the S23. Hold volume up plus volume down and connect it to enter idle mode. Open Octoplus, tap Reset FRP. Follow the steps and download any required files. The tool will remove the FRP lock automatically. Part 4. What are the pros and cons of Octoplus FRP Tool? Part 5. Q and about Octoplus FRP Tool. Q1. Is Octoplus FRP Tool safe? Yes, if used correctly. Wrong steps may affect the device. Q2. Can it remove FRP without data loss? Sometimes. Some models may still require a reset. Q3. Do I need technical skills? Basic knowledge helps. Q4. Is it free? No, it requires a dongle or paid license $29.69. Q5. Does it support new Android versions? Yes, with frequent updates, though some new models may take time. Q6. What if it doesn't work? Check device support, reinstall drivers, and follow official troubleshooting. Part 6. What could be better than Octoplus FRP Tool? Octoplus FRP Tool has drawbacks: cost, Windows-only support, and some technical steps. A good alternative is Android Lock Wiper, with broader Android compatibility and advanced features for faster, easier lock removal for both beginners and pros. Start by downloading and installing the software on your computer. Once this is done, select Remove Google Lock FRP and opt for Advanced Mode. Connect your mobile device to the computer using a USB cable, then click Start. Follow the instructions to input the required details about your device and click Next. Adhere to the on-screen guidance to enter recovery mode on your device. On the next screen, choose the correct PDA, country, and carrier. Then click Download to retrieve the necessary data package. Subsequently, click Start to extract, and follow the on-screen prompts to put your device into download mode. Enable USB debugging, activate OEM unlock, and extract the firmware along with other essential tasks. Ultimately, the software will initiate the unlocking process for your smartphone.